Hi, folks. This is Tom from RocklandWeb. Today, we installed a new tool on all of our client websites. It's an accessibility tool that essentially is one, ADA compliant, that's the American Disabilities Act, and two, allows people that experience low vision or a bit of difficulty in seeing screens when they're browsing various websites, giving them the ability to increase the size of text, toggle on or off high contrast mode. And I'm going to demonstrate this for you right now. And we're installing on every one of our client websites for a few reasons. One, because it's the right thing to do. And two, we've become aware several lawyers across the United States are trying to leverage the ADA Compliance Act to go after well-meaning businesses and organizations that maybe were not aware of this. So we want to make sure that they have the right tools to be ADA compliant. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the tool. It's really easy. So this is a few of our clients that we have the tool installed, and it basically looks like nothing from the general view of the website. However, if you look on the left-hand side of the screen, you have these two new features called toggle high contrast and toggle font size. We'll start with the font size. So if you click on the toggle font size, it will automatically increase the size of all the text on the site to make it much larger so that people would be able to see it. And there's a lot of controls in the background that allow you to further customize that. And the other one is the toggle high contrast. And basically that just makes it easier, again, with people that have a bit of low vision going on, to be able to read the screen more adequately. The WP accessibility tool that we're using has also a multitude of features. We can alt tag all of the images. If you need that work done, we can show you how to do it, or if you need us to do that work, we'll be happy to hop in and help you as much as possible. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions about the installation of this tool, please contact us at 845-877-7333. Extension 1. Thanks, and have a great rest of the week.